In this video, I'll show you how to create a free email signature with Logo. To get started, click on the link in the description below to visit the website. There are several email signature templates you can pick from. Once you see the one you like, click on it to use the template. Now it's time to customize. Click on the current logo to select and use your own logo. Next, you can add your name, job title, company name, and any contact information you want, such as your phone number and email address. You can also add your website URL and office address. Logo AI makes it easy by giving you different design fonts and colors to choose from so your signature matches your branding. To add a custom banner, scroll down and click on Upload Banner. You can also hide it completely by selecting None. You can also add links to your social media accounts. Select the social media icon and input the respective link. Once you're happy with your design, the next step is to generate your email signature. You can copy the HTML code provided by Logo AI or download it. To use it, just paste the HTML code directly into your email client's signature settings, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, or any other service you use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.